Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making onion bhajees. The first thing I'm going to do is cut my onion up. In my bowl I'm going to sieve gram flour, salt, and I'm going to add enough water to make a stiff batter. I'm now going to add in my remaining ingredients. Onion, carrot, spinach, mint sauce, garam masala, some finely chopped coriander. In my saucepan I have frying oil, which I have heated up. I'm now going to add in my onion bhaji mixture and fry them until they are lightly brown. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.